This machine is over 80 years old.
And it shouldn't be working.
But this is how we found it.
Forgotten for decades.
Rust had taken over everything.
Nothing was connected anymore. Same.
It wasn't just broken. It was completely dead. Years of neglect had blocked everything. Even the structure was failing. It wouldn't come loose. It was completely blocked. Step by step, it started changing.
Locking everything back into place and getting everything back into place. It tried to move. Not yet. Almost. And then it was coming back. And
It came back to life.